Oh god. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and it's time for episode 4 of the Learn With Me series. So I thought it was about time to add to my cardistry skill set, and it's been a while since I've done one of these, so why not do it? So I went onto YouTube and I looked up some cardistry flourishes that I could learn, and I came across Swindle, and this was on the XCM card channel. So let's get started with Swindle. So I hope you guys grabbed your favorite deck, got your fingers ready, and let's get into the video. Okay, looks fairly simple, but again, we won't know until we actually attempt it. Okay, definitely gonna need to increase the volume. So first impressions, it looks pretty nice and doesn't look too difficult to pull off. So I wouldn't be surprised if we're able to do this by the end of the video. Let's see how this guy does it. Okay, bam. I can do that. Okay, bam. I've done this so many times. Boom. That's all it takes.
You're going to take your right pointer finger and you're going to place it in this top card right here. You're going to push to the left so the card is out jogged.
Oh, I always have trouble doing this.
You're going to take your left thumb and move it from this left edge to the bottom edge of the packet right above. So now you should be in this position right here. The next step is to bring your left thumb to the bottom edge of the out jogged card in your right hand. So just like this. Once you're here, you can see that you can spin this card. You're going to pull your right hand towards you to move your left hand away from you. So as you can see, this card starts to revolve.
Bam. Check that out.
Once the out-jogged card is in this position, you're going to come over with your right ring finger and you're going to place it on the back of the out-jogged card. So
How
you're
are...
in this position. You place your right ring finger on the back of the card. Now you're ready to clip this out-jogged card between your right, middle, and ring fingers.
Alright, real quick. Let's take a break. Take a real quick break. So, we're starting off here. We get into... I actually did not know this was called zebra. Did he say zebra? So whatever it's called, we're here. Where do you go from here? So from here, he started doing this. Wait, hold on. So he started with the straddle. Started with the elevated straddle. Boom, came here. Moved this here. And now we're here. No, I definitely lost this somewhere. Oh, wait, hold on. I think I know. So we pull that card out. So we go from here. Go from here to here. And that's pretty much where we are in the video. So not too shabby on my first attempt. Check that out. One more time real quick. We're gonna go bam, ba-boom. This is always gonna be the struggle. Getting that card out from here. My finger's too dry. That's what it is. That should be good. Let's try it one more time. Here we go. Bam. Boom. Oh, damn it. Oh, hold on. Bam. Boom. Pop. Look at that. Worked out beautifully.
Right pointer finger, just like this, and now you're ready to revolve the card onto its back. To do this, you're going to take your right hand, you're going to move it up, and then back down. Then you're going to grip the bottom of that card, your thumb, like this.
Okay, let's calm down real quick. Let's take a quick breather. So boom, we're here, right? We got that. We're here. We're putting this here. We let go of with the pointer finger, and we come down like this and grab it with our thumb. Right? Seems easy enough.
Once more. here.
Yep.
Release the pointer finger.
There we go.
Move your hand up.
Yep, I did that.
And back on top with that card. You grip the bottom edge with your thumb. Now, as this card is being revolved, you're going to be performing a scissor cut with your left hand.
Oh, bam, scissor cut pro. I love how, oh, yep, love how I messed that up. Scissor cut pro.
So up until this point, this is what the source looks like. You're going to see grip. Push out the card. It revolves. When you grab it with your thumb, perform the scissor cut with your left hand. And now you should be in this position right here. Final step.
Okay. So these are actually quite simple steps. For those of you familiar with cardistry, this actually shouldn't be too difficult at all. You know, unless you're like me, then it'll be a little difficult. So we're here. We come out like this. I think this is the only thing that's going to give me an issue here. We're here, here, bring this over, do the scissor cut. And now we're here like this. That's exactly where this guy is in his video. Not bad at all. Not bad at all.
Take your right hand and turn it face up.
So all we got to do from here,
Now you take your left thumb and straight
boom,
on the card.
grip this.
Now all you have to do is take this packet and using your pointer finger, you're going to turn it back into the rest of the cards. Now you can do a flourish.
That's it, yo.
Well, thanks for watching.
That's it. That's all it takes. All right, so here we go. I don't even think we're gonna have to go through that video again because I'm gonna teach you this right now. So we start off, elevated straddle grip. Then we come up here. Boom, zebra, I think. So now from here, we take our thumb from the bottom deck, boom, put it back here. Come on. And boom, check that out, check that out. Boom, move this up, scissor cut, turn this around, peel this off. Actually, this is a very uncomfortable position, but, and boom, close it up. Whew, that's all it takes. Can destroy this thing. Let's actually work on speeding this up. Nope. What am I doing? Oh my god, I keep on forgetting the steps. Hold on. So we're here, we do this, scissor cut, turn this around, boom, pull this off top, and close. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. Boom. Yep, this is the difficult part. Boom, do this, scissor cut, turn this around, boom, do this. Okay, bam, look at that. Check that out. Check that out. Again, we're here. We do this. Boom. Here. Scissor cut. Turn this around. And, well, come on. I actually don't know why peeling that one card off is giving me such a hard time. And I'm just doing this. That seems very unnatural. I don't think he did that in his video. Did he? Jeez, that's loud. No, this guy makes it seem very natural, doesn't do that at all. So clearly I'm the one doing something wrong here. So boom. And of course we didn't make contact with the thumb that time. All right, here we go again. Boom. It's always this part. My God. Was that good? Bam! All done. Maybe I should just take it slow in the beginning. I don't know if you guys are following along, but we just take it slow. Bam, we open that up. Just be cool. Be cool, laid back. Boom. Boom. Grip that here with the bottom thumb. Do the scissor cut. Well, if you guys don't know how to do the scissor cut, I think I have a tutorial on it somewhere on my channel. Boom, flip it over, and boom. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. It's not horrible when I go slow. It's not too bad, but I think it could be better. Am I the only one who has problems just spinning this card out? Like, I don't know what it is. Either my finger's too dry. Should I put lotion on or something? We're gonna get there. I think the most difficult part is doing this, pulling the card, and doing this. And it's the same actual thing. I don't know if it's my fingers. Does everyone have this kind of problem? But whenever I'm trying to slide the card using my fingers and separating from the rest of the deck, that's where I'm having the issue. Check this out, check this out. So boom, I do this. Sliding, there's the issue. Once sliding is done, doing this is not a problem. Scissor cut, not a problem. Coming here, sliding again, this thumb can't get the grip. Unless I like press very hard, do this, and then reclose. So literally for me, the only issue is sliding. All right, let me check out his performance one more time. Here we go. Because he makes it seem very nice and smooth. I don't know if it's because the camera angles. Okay, I don't need music. And I missed the performance. And he's doing the scissor cut actually while I didn't realize this earlier. While this is happening, this is where he's doing the scissor cut, not afterwards. Like it was kind of taught by him. So the scissor cut's actually happening while this is happening. So that's why it makes it seem even cooler when he does it versus when I'm doing it now. So that may take a bit more practice then. Boom, boom, boom. Let's stretch it out first. All right, we'll get a few more tries. Here we go. Boom. Damn it. Okay, it's okay. We're okay. Oh God. Here we go again. Here we go again. Z. Trouble putting the card out. Boom. Turning over. A scissor cut. Boom. Peel. Ox. Man. It's a struggle because it's so easy to do, but I'm still messing up. That's what's driving me crazy. All right, here we go. Ending on a high. Ending on a high. Here we go. Bam. Not too shabby. Whew. Oh, that was a bit rough. So that's it. I'm calling it for now. I'm going to have this uploaded on my Instagram page as soon as I have it mastered. And if you guys want to continue learning with me, make sure to go check out one of these other videos so you can go and do that. I'll see you there. Peace out.